as well. So here we are going to start from there only. Basically, here we will be discussing about mean, median, and mode. So the first thing first, that is mean of any data. So we also call this mean as a average. In case, suppose I have taken, there are just 5 students in my class, okay, and I have taken a test and they have got out of 10, the marks are this way. Suppose one of the student got 8, another student got 7, another student got maybe 6 out of 10, another student got maybe, let's say, 5, then 4, 1 2 3 4 5, and this is how I'm having the marks, just that. Okay, and we need to find, let me just customize it a bit. And we need to find the mean of this data. Okay, so for finding the mean, we just need to take all the data added together, divided by the number of data points, right? But before that, there is a concept in statistics that our data must be arranged. Okay, sorted data, that means it must be arranged from arranged in ascending order or maybe descending order. Even though we are talking about mean, this way we will always keep the data arranged in our ncrt or in our syllabus. We don't have to arrange the data, it will always be given to us in arranged like arranged manner. But we must know it that data, if we are having, then this is a raw data which should be arranged either in ascending or in descending order. So if we will arrange it, that is the least at first, and then more than that, 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 it's completely up to us whether we are arranging in ascending or descending order. This may not help that much while finding the mean, but while finding the median, it is really very, very, very important. Median. Okay, so now we have to find the mean. Mean says that we have to add all the data point, that is 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, divided by the total number of data point, that is 1 2 3 4 5, right? And that's how we will get the mean of this data. Now if the same data I'll give you this way, that is 8 is there, then again 8 is there, then again 8 is there, okay, then maybe 10 is there. Okay, out of 20 I have taken the test and this is how the marks looks like. Then again 10 is there, and then let's say just 12 is there, then 13, 13, 13, 13. If this way the marks we are having, okay, I took a test out of 20, these are the marks of few student and I want to find the mean. Okay, so how we'll be finding the mean? Same way we will be finding, just like the previous one, but here if we will have a frequency table, it will help us a lot. Why? Because rather than adding the same number again and again, 8 plus 8 plus 8, then 10 plus 10, 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13, you must have learned in lower classes that we must create a frequency distribution table, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
that the marks, yes, when the marks is 8, how many such 8 8 8 3, frequency is 3, or we can say number of students are 3. Okay, frequency or number of student. Again, this table we don't have to draw over here, but we must understand that why the formula of mean changes from there to here. It is not at all changing, it is the same formula, right?
Yes.
Okay, if we are having 10 over here, the frequency is 2. If we are having 12, the frequency is 1. If we are having 13, the frequency is 4. Now this time while finding the mean, we don't have to add the same number again and again. What we will do, we will multiply 8 with 3. We will multiply 8 with 2, 10 with 2. Why we are doing so? Because 10 plus 10, right? Is it making sense, Alpha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 10 into 2 plus 12 into 1 plus 13 into 4. Sum of all the data. Basically, we are adding all the data. Yeah, it looks like multiplication, but we are adding all the data points divided by the total number of data point. That is the sum of the frequency. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1. Okay, 6 plus 4, 10. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any confusion so far, Arfa?
No, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay, so this is how we are having the date. This is how we will be finding the median, sorry, the mean. Okay, while having the raw data, the data when the data is not a group data. Now, in this class, we need to discuss how to find the mean, how to find the median, how to find the mode of the group data. When the data is a group data, then how to find the mean, median, mode. And here we are having the three, already we are having three methods to find the mean. Okay, one by one, we will be discussing the methods. So when the data is the group data, then for finding the mean, there is a formula. We will be discussing the direct method for finding the mean, assume mean method, step deviation method. We'll be taking each and every method. But if you understood this one, then let's solve one question. Because the student thinks that this is very basic. From here, question doesn't come. Okay, but it does. Okay, I'm showing you this another screen. Let's do one question. Just a moment, Arfa. Can you see question number 2? This is a board exam paper
Yes,
of
ma'am.
this year only. Okay, set 3 we are having over here. Question
Okay.
number 2. Okay, the mean
Yes,
of
ma'am.
7 observation is 17. If the mean of the first 4 observation is 15, that of the last 4 observation is 18, then the fourth observation. Do you know how to do this type of question?
Yes, ma'am. I'll try it. Then I'll let you know.
Yeah, please try. Can we discuss?
Ma'am, I'm not able to get it.
Okay, let's discuss it. Okay, the mean
Yes,
of
sure.
7 observation is 17. We don't know the observations, but we know there are 7 observation: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Have you done pair of linear equation, Arfa?
Yes, ma'am. No, no, no.
Okay, you have not done. No worries. So 7 observations we are having, and the mean is given as 17. The mean formula is sum of all the observation divided by the number of observation. That is 17, right? So if we are saying, suppose, let's say the first observation, let's say this is X, or maybe let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, F, G. Okay, so that means all added together: A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus Z. Now let me clarify. A is a value, B is a value, okay, C is a value, we don't know the value, D is a value, E is a value, okay, F is a number, G is a number, we don't know all of this number. No worries, okay. So we'll be having all this added together divided by 7, because total 7 data point we are having, that is equals to mean. Making sense? Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
we can say from here we are getting A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus Z all added together, that is nothing but 17 into 7. Can I say, Arfa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that means 17 into 7 will be 119. Yeah, 119, right? So at least one condition we are having in hand. Let's see the next information which is provided to us. If the mean of the first 4 observation is 15, so this time 15 is equals to first 4 observation: A plus B plus C plus D. First 4 observation added together divided by the number of data point 4, that is equals to the mean, right? Now from here what are we getting? A plus D plus C plus D is A plus B plus C plus D is 15 into 4, that is 6060. Making sense?
Yes,
Getting
ma'am.
it, Alpha? So
Yes,
currently
ma'am.
you are having two condition in hand. This one and the previous one. That all added together is 119, and just four of them added together is 60. Just four of them added together is 60, and all added together is 119. Okay, and the last 4 observations mean is 18. That means one more information we are having. Last 4 observation, that is D plus E plus F plus G. That is, okay, that's mean is 18. This 4 observation, so divided by 4, the mean is 18. Is it making sense, Arfa?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are having three information in hand. The first one, A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G, all added together is 119. Okay, only four of them added together is 60. So if four of them added together is 60, we understand we can anytime, if we are having a equation or maybe two equation, we can add those two equation, we can do the subtraction between two equation, we can multiply them, or maybe we can divide them. These things are allowed in mathematics, right? So
Yes,
we will take this equation and the first one. I am going to subtract, I mean the first one minus the second one. If I will do so, what are we going to get? 119 minus 60. That is 9, and 11 minus 6, 5, right?
yes,
And the other side, if we will do the subtraction, A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G, from there we are going to subtract A plus B plus C plus D. Okay, here we are having A, B, C, D, E, F, G. From there we are going to subtract this A, okay, then minus B minus C minus D. Making sense?
yes.
Okay, A gone, B gone, C gone, D gone. What are we having? We are having just E plus F plus
Yes.
G. That is 59. And one more equation we are having in hand, that D plus E plus F plus G, that is 72. So now if we will subtract the third equation minus the resultant, just we got the fourth one. Okay, that's why I was asking you, have you done pair of linear equation? Because these things very often, okay, in each and every question we do in pair of linear equation while solving the equations. Okay, so 3 minus 4 we are doing. Equation number 3 is left side is 72. Okay, 4 left side is 59, is equals to D plus E plus F plus G, that minus E minus F minus G. And can you see we are getting just a second. Yeah, we are getting just D. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just D will be having over here. Okay, all of them will cancel out each other. E gone, F gone, G gone. We will be having just D. Over there we are having 72 minus 59. That means 3, and here we'll be having 6 minus 5, 1. When I teach this concept, okay, last year also I have taught, few students just taken it really carefully. They must have done this question, and few students kept on telling that no, this is not there in our syllabus. In our syllabus, group data mean we have to find. And all of a sudden, you will encounter this question. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, you have to be careful. You can see option number B is the correct option. Now the question is, are we going to take this much time to solve a MCQ question? No, not at all. You have to train your mind that if the mean of the 7 observation is 17, that means 7 into 17, that will be sum of all the observation. This way you have to think. If the mean of the first 4 observation is 15, that means 15 into 4 is the sum of first 4. Sum of first 4. Okay, quickly you have to do. Here 119, here 60. If we will do the subtraction, we will be getting the sum of the last few numbers, the last 3 numbers. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and last part says that the last 4 observation mean is 18. Last 4 observation, and from here we are getting the last 3. Still confusion arises. Still we can take A B C D E F G, but quickly. Okay, so that's how we
Yes.
will be getting the answer as a 13. Clear? And when you will
Yes,
learn
ma'am.
linear equation in 2 variable, then I don't have to teach you that you have to subtract 2 equation. While subtracting the equation, we do left hand side minus left hand side and right hand side minus right hand side. All of these things will just you will be able to do in your mind.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so yeah, this type of question, hence we need to start from the basic, from the beginning of the mean. Now actually, what is the meaning of mean? Mean means, again I am coming to that point. If I have taken test in my batch, okay, and I 5 student got different marks, and I'm having meeting with my management team, and they are asking that how is the performance of your batch. So I will say on an average this is the performance. That means that time I will say the mean of all the data. Why mean? Because all the data are lying closer to the mean. Okay, if the mean is a higher number, good number, that means the performance of class is good. If the mean is quite lower number, that means the performance of the class is not that good. What does that mean? What does that mean? Let me show you. You can see here the first one. Okay, out of 10 marks was 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just like that. Okay, or
Yes.
maybe let me take one example. Let's do and find the mean. So I have taken a test. and out of 10 the marks are, one of the student got 0, another got 1, one more student got just 1, another student got 2, another student got 3, 1 2 3 4 5. This is the marks of 5 students out of 10, out of 10. Okay, these are the marks. We are finding the mean. Okay, mean means sum of all the data points, 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by the number of data point, that is 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that means 2 plus 2, 4, 5 6 7, 7 by 5. What is the mean? Mean is 5, 1 times 5, 6 7, 5 4
Yes,
times 20. Mean is 1.4. How is the performance of your batch? It's on an average, they have got 1.4. Oh my God, the performance is not at all good. Can you see?
yeah. So statistics can be in decimals.
Yeah, our mean, our median, our mode, okay, these things can be in decimal. That means most of the data is lying just closer to this 1.4. And this is representing that the performance is not good because it's a lower number. If it is, it will be higher and higher. Out of 10, okay, the mean is 1.4. It's very lower. Okay, if the student will get good marks, automatically this will increase. For example, if one of the student got 8, another got 8, one more student got 9, another student got 9, and one more student got again 9, let's find the mean. We'll be having 8 plus 8, or basically we can do 2 into 8. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
2 into 8 and 9 we are having 3 times. 9 we are having 3 times. So 3 into 9, this way I can write divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 data points. 8 2 times 16, 9 3 times 27, 16 plus 27, 43 divided by 5. 5 8 times 40, 5 6 times 30. What is the mean? Out of 10, it
8.6.
is 8.6. It's a great performance, is above 50%. Okay, it's so good. Can you see?
Yes,
Okay, this is the meaning of the mean. Now, of course, we will be learning, we will be discussing formulas over here, how to deal with the data over here, okay, how to find the mean by using the direct method. Those things we will be discussing over here. Okay, so
yes.
yes, Arfa, so far any confusion?
No, ma'am. I'm clear with this topic.
Okay, so yes,
Yeah.
I have just given the introduction today, not even started with the class 10 concept, because I need to build the concept over here. I'll be starting with the mean of the group data, but today I have to proceed with the next part of our class, that is there is assessment over here. Okay, so I'll be sharing a screen with you. Actually, that is not a test, that is just a assessment. We just want to get familiar with our student, that in case you will need any extra class for just polishing of the previous concept, whatever is important for class 10. So accordingly we will be arranging the classes. So I'm going to share a screen where you will be able to see a question paper, and in your copy you have to solve it and you have to tell me the answers. On behalf of you, I'll note down your response over here, and after the class I will check it and we will let you know that if everything is clear or somewhere just little bit polishing is required. Throughout this paper, if anywhere any confusion, I'll be helping you. Okay,
Yes, sure, ma'am.
just a moment, I am sharing another screen, give me a moment. Yes, Amir, is it? Just a second, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So I think the time is still 30 minutes is left, right? Yes.
Oh, yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you see the screen?
Not yet, ma'am. Yeah, now I can see. Yeah.
Okay, these are few questions which is really easy. Okay, the first one you don't even need pen and paper to solve it. Okay, you will be able to just guess just by observing it. Okay, so yeah, please tell me the response. Take your time and tell me the response.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir. For the first one, what will be the answer?
The first one will be this one. -8. -5, sorry, -5.
Next one.
Next will be 0.
Yeah. Next one.
-17. Bracket -17.
Perfect. Next one.
And this, wait, the fourth one, -7.
Next.
Bracket -7.
Yeah. Next one.
This will be bracket -3. Ma'am, I'm doing the second one, the second.
Yeah, do it. Take your time and do it. Yes, Arfa, what is the HCF of 2A and B?
Ma'am, just a while, I'm just checking the answers and I'll let you know. Just 1 minute.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Ma'am, the second first answer is 6
Yeah,
and
perfect.
the second bit is 35.
Okay. Is it 35? Okay. Let's do the next one, number 3.
Okay.
Here also, Arfa, pen and paper is not required.
Ma'am, for the third one, may I say for the ascending order?
Yeah.
1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by
Uh,
9,
is it ascending or descending?
ascending, 1 by 9, 1 by 12, 1 by 17, 1 by 23, 23, 1 by 50. This is the ascending order.
Okay, and the descending will be reverse, right?
Reverse of, yeah.
Next. we just need to check whether the left hand side calculation and the right hand side calculation is giving the same answer. Is it
No, ma'am.
okay?
No, it's not verified.
Next one, number 4.
Okay.
Yeah. Number 5, the next one. We are supposed to find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length and breadth are given.
Ma'am, second answer is 302 meters.
Okay. Number 6. Yeah. Number 6.
Ma'am, I solved RHS and LHS separately.
Okay. Yeah. What you got?
Should I tell RHS and separately LHS because I did that way?
Here we are supposed to, number 6, right?
Yeah.
Here we are supposed to find the x value. So what you got in LHS, please tell me.
I got 14.
14. And what about
14.
RHS?
RHS is I got 26.
X is not there.
Yeah.
X is not there. Number
Sorry, I'm not.
number 6, right?
Yeah,
X, I mean the variable X which we can see over here, that is not there in the calculation.
it is there.
Okay, so 14X you got or just 14 you got?
14, x is equals to 14, I got.
Okay, let's do number 7. Is 90 a perfect square number? Yes, alpha.
No, ma'am, 90 is not a perfect square number.
Okay, the next one, the last one.
15 factors.
Z square minus 4Z minus 12, we have to factorize it.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, alpha. What you got?
I got z minus 2 and then z minus 6.
Z minus 2 and then?
Z minus 6.
Okay. Yes. Yes, Alpha. So yeah, I have recorded your response. I'll be checking it and will let you